Alright guys, I just picked up the door and bumper. We got this van loaded up. What is up guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm gonna try to be getting these dents out of the car. Right over here, there's a big one right here. This one should be pretty easy to get out. And I got two little dings right here. So this is gonna be the main focus for today's video. But without further ado, let's go ahead and try to get this bigger dent out and see all the different methods we might have to use. I'm gonna try this first. I have a feeling it'll work. So let's wipe down the area pretty good. So I don't know if you guys saw in my last video, I found this BMW glass cleaner. I'm gonna use this to wipe the area down pretty good and then wipe it off. Oh, there we go. Alright, so first I'm just gonna go ahead and just go straight at it with the suction cup. See where the best place it is. There we go. I've seen some people try to use boiling water and then this, so I'm gonna go ahead and try that. I think that heats up the area and makes it easier makes it more flexible. Alright, so I think it came out just enough because I came to the other side and it literally looks exactly the same. So I think it's perfect actually right now. I think the hot water helped it be more flexible, but I think that's good. Now I gotta get these out. These are gonna be hard because I think it kinks up like right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and try with the suction cup, and if that doesn't work, well, I'm actually gonna go buy a small one, and if that doesn't work, I'm probably gonna take the taillights off and try to hit it from the inside. Alright guys, let's go ahead and see if this works. I'm hoping it does because I really don't want to start banging on this, but if I have to, I will. Yeah guys, it's not going anywhere. It's not moving at all. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this tail light off, see if we can access it from the inside. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take off this whole carpet right here, and I think that's our best option right now. Alright guys, so I actually found where the dent is. It's kind of awkward to get to, but it's behind this. You could feel where the dent is. Probably gonna go ahead and get like a rubber mallet and a heat gun and heat it up from the inside so I don't mess up the paint on the outside, and gently start hitting at it, see if it pops out. I'm hoping it does. If not, we'll try something else, but let's try this for now. We got some of this dent out. I mean, it's not really as noticeable, but it still needs a little bit of work. I'm gonna leave this alone for now because it's taking way too much time. It's been like 5 hours or something. All right, guys, it is a couple hours later. About to hop in the whip, go pick up some parts. So I'm about to drive about 3 hours to Pick and Pull in Kansas City. I think it's a Pick and Pull, but they had an E92, same color, everything. It was a 328 though, and I bought a door from there, so I'm gonna go pick that up. And I also found a bumper, for an M Sport bumper for my car, so I'm gonna meet up with the guy and see if we can make a deal on that. I will catch you guys there. All right guys, I just picked up the door and bumper. We got this van loaded up. And now 3 hour drive back home. Dude, these E92 doors look so freaking long. What? Doesn't end, it goes on forever. All right guys, I just now got back. Felt like forever, even though it was like 6 hours. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and unload everything and show you guys everything that I got. So I went ahead and got this bumper. This was from a Facebook Marketplace. I got it from somebody, but there wasn't really anything wrong with my bumper except it was like scuffed on this side. So I went ahead and just got a full M Sport bumper. Looks way better. This one's white, so yeah, obviously I'm gonna have to repaint it, which is all right, because this one has, where is it? It has some little scuffs here and there, but yeah, it's gonna look so much better overall. And then, sorry, I'm like out of breath. And then I got the door right here. The only thing is, this does not have comfort access, and my car has comfort access. So I'm gonna see if I can switch everything out. Ignore all the freaking annoying bugs in the background, but I have the two bumpers here side by side, so I'm gonna need the little plastic bracket thingies, I don't know what you call them, because these are not compatible with this one. So I'm gonna have to order those, and the little covers, like they have them on here. I'm gonna need that, and that should be it, besides repainting it. And then it should look A1. I literally got this for 50 bucks. I think it was a pretty good deal. And also the reason it was so cheap is these are rib, the little things that hold the bumper on. So when I take this bumper off, I'm gonna just cut the little pieces right here and then plastic weld these ones from this one on here. And it should be good to go. Other than that, it looks sick. Looks way better than the stock bumper. Really excited. And I also ordered the what's it called? God, I can't think of it. The little trim right here. I ordered one of those, same color, should come in like 3 days, they said. So we'll install that because mine is scuffed up pretty bad and it's bent in right here from the impact. So we'll order that too. Or I already ordered it. That'll come in too, and we'll install that. And yeah, so this car should look a lot better by tomorrow after everything's put back together. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Turn your post notifications on so you guys know when I post, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.